Do you want to know the best ways to make passive income online, but you don't even know where to start? In today's video, we're going to go over 5 ways to make passive income online that even a beginner can do. So if you wanted to start making money in your sleep, don't miss a second of this video and make sure that you watch the entire video, because at the end, I have something extra that I wanted to share. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to make an income online. So first off, what is passive income and why do you need to have it? Passive income is income that requires little to no labor to earn and maintain that income. A good example of passive income that most of us know about are things like buying real estate or buying stocks. So in other words, you're gonna be buying assets. There's nothing wrong with investing in these. And nowadays, it's not that hard to invest because of apps and services like Acorns. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own research if you invest anything, but I use Acorns and I love how easy it makes it. There's a link to Acorns in the description if you wanted to take a look. So the first method to make passive income online is to create a SaaS product. I hear you. You may not know what a SaaS product is. A SaaS product is a software as a service, typically a software that people pay a subscription to use, and sometimes they offer a lifetime price. A very popular way to do this is to create something like a Chrome extension, or maybe even a website that completes one simple task. And yes, I know you're not a programmer, or maybe you are, I don't know, but there are ways to get it built for you. You can go to sites like Fiverr and hire a programmer, and it's pretty reasonable too, and they will build your Chrome extension or simple software for you. The key to good SaaS product is to find a simple problem that people have and create a solution or automate something that people usually have to do manually. I personally use several SaaS products. One that replies to new friend requests on Facebook, one that helps with my YouTube SEO like vidIQ, and even one that creates simple web-based resources that I could share with my audience called One Pager. And if you want, you could also create an affiliate program that others could sell your SaaS products and make passive income for themselves as well. It's a win-win. Now, the second method that I wanted to go over is making passive income on YouTube with the YouTube Partner Program. At the time of this video, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year to apply for the Partner Program. And when they accept you into the program, YouTube plays ads on your videos and they share the ad revenue with you. This method doesn't happen overnight. It takes time not only to create content, but content that people want to watch. But the beautiful thing is that if you create enough evergreen videos or videos that are relevant long after they are uploaded, you'll see videos paying ad revenue weeks, months, even years after the video was originally released. To me, this really defines what passive income truly is, because you create the video once and it pays you over and over and over and over again. Just think about what you might watch on YouTube: tutorials, how-to videos, educational videos, explainers, even entertainment, videos that you can get value from. These could be the types of videos that get views and ad revenue for years to come. The third, and one of my favorite ways to make passive income online, is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product, and when you make a sale, you make a commission or you get paid part of the sale price. You could do non-passive affiliate marketing as well, but if you start to build up traffic sources that point towards these affiliate products, people could start buying through your affiliate link and you'll make passive income. My favorite traffic source is YouTube. I'll go over a few more in a moment, but I love using YouTube with affiliate marketing because you could help people find the products that they're looking for, and you can make a commission on top of the ad revenue, or even before you are even in the partner program. The first videos on this channel still make me affiliate commissions to this day. I actually have a video where I go in depth on how to start making passive income on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I'll drop a link to that down in the description. But remember, you could use any traffic source. My favorite is just YouTube. If you're getting value from this video, be sure that you smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. Now, we talked about affiliate marketing, but for the fourth method, let's talk about having either an online course or membership. We all know something that someone else wants to know. I know sometimes we get into our heads and think, why would anyone want to listen to me? I can guarantee that there is something that you know that you could teach someone else? What's something that you're passionate about? Or maybe it's even something that you just want to learn. And if you don't want to do a one-off course, you could do a membership. The awesome thing about a membership is that you don't have to have much to get started. For example, my membership, etoolbox.club, currently consists of a few trainings I did, early access to my podcast episodes, and replays of my Clubhouse rooms that I host every week. Like with affiliate marketing, you need to drive traffic to these courses or memberships, but the difference is that you get to keep all of the sales or signups. Just remember, it's important to provide value, especially on these memberships. People pay monthly for these memberships, so you need to add value to keep the passive income coming in. Again, don't overthink it. And finally, method number 5. Email list building. So how could an email list make you passive income? Everything I mentioned before in this video, creating a SaaS product to sell, affiliate marketing, creating a course or membership could all be done with an email list. It could even help you get more ad views on your YouTube videos. As you grow your email list with interested people, you can send them emails recommending products like your SaaS products or maybe affiliate products you recommend and let them know about the new courses or memberships. You could even use your email list to send people to new or even old videos that you have uploaded, in turn getting more ad revenue. And if you want to make this truly passive income, you could use an autoresponder service like ConvertKit, so you could schedule out your emails days, months, even years in advance. If you want to give ConvertKit a try, the link is in the description. I know what you're saying. These are great ideas, but how do I get traffic so people click on my links? Now, I'd recommend starting with one traffic source, and as it grows, then you can add a second one. You can use traffic sources like my favorite, YouTube, and all kinds of other platforms like blogging, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, have a podcast, Discord, TikTok, even ads if you could spend a bit of money to get started. Like I said, pick one and stick with it. Believe it or not, I've noticed that the traffic source with the fastest growth right now for me has been TikTok. It's more than just dancing videos. Just make short videos that are helpful to people and then send them to the link in your bio. All the traffic sources I mentioned are great. Just pick the one that's best for you. Building up passive income streams is the true path to financial freedom. It's not going to happen overnight, but it's never going to happen if you don't start. Which passive income method are you going to try? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, be sure that you check out this video next. If you got value, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.